Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Hello.
I have a rocket launcher.
Uh-oh.
Stop my vehicle. Something's happening to me. Bird! I can't!
Commander, I don't think you understand what just happened. Oh no.
No.
Oh no.
Bro! Bird!
How have you turned into the most annoying person alive?
Because I am on a computer. There's another one of those houses.
We're due for our phone
No,
call.
because I am on. Sorry, Shashi. Especially, I'm actually sorry to you, but I am on my school computer and my headset actually broke. So it's fucking irritating as shit to me too. Don't worry.
Oh no, I was just talking about your personality.
Fuck you
Sorry.
too.
Ouch. God.
Fuck you too.
I mean, like, I was
the same word
pointing it
13
out,
times,
and
like
you
an animal.
totally
They came out with
misinterpreted.
fangs with that.
Exactly. That's what I'm fucking.
Like,
Wow,
I feel like that's not really my fault, though. Like, you misinterpreted what I said.
Oh, I didn't.
Oh wait, I fell off the edge.
We need to stop the matey. Up there.
Ow, stop. I'm trying to get it through.
It's civil time. It's civil time.
Okay.
I'm here.